Okay, 16th question. A 21 digit number n is obtained by writing the consecutive natural numbers side by side starting from 1. If that number n is divided by 11, then the remainder obtained is. Here, there are 21 digits in the number. So there must be 21 digits formed. By writing the consecutive natural numbers side by side starting from 1. So we should start from 1 and we have to write side by side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now you count. So till here 9 digits are there. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 20, 21 means 15 should also be added. Now, what is the condition he is asking? If that number n is divided by 11, then the remainder obtained is. So if this complete number is divided by 11, the remainder obtained should become what? So that's what the question. For that, see, what is the condition for a number to be divided by 11 completely? So if you take the alternate numbers, you add them. You're taking alternate numbers, you add them, and you subtract sum of these two, the bottom portion and the top portion, addition. Then if then it should become the multiple of 11, or else it should become 0. If that condition is satisfied, then the whole number will be divisible by 11. Otherwise, it won't be divisible by 11. So that we need to verify. So I'm going to add 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. How much it becomes? So 4, 5, 9, 16, 16, 25, 26, 28, 28 plus 3. How much it is? 28 plus 3, 31, 31, 35, 40. So it is becoming 40. There are two ways to solve this question. I'll tell both the ways. And the next one is 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 14, 14, 20, 24, 24 plus 2, 26. So this is becoming 26. Subtract them. 40 minus 26. How much it is becoming? 14. So is 14 divisible by 11? No. So if it is 11, it will be divisible by 11. So but we are getting an extra of 3 numbers. So that 3 is nothing but the remainder. So you can check that as third option. So you can take the fourth option as 3. 3 is the remainder. So that is the answer. So like this you can solve, or else there is another way. You can type 2. Type 2 is, method 2 is, you can form pairs with these numbers. I'll tell you how to do. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So you have to start from the end and take two numbers two numbers, and so one is left. You just add it the single number only. Just add them, all of them. So if you add them, how much it would become? So that should be divisible by, that should be divided by 11. Then whatever the remainder will get, that is the answer. So now I'm going to do addition. Addition means 15 plus 14, 29. 29 plus 13, 39, 42. 42 plus 2, 52, 56, 56 plus 11, 66, 67, 77, 77 plus 89, 89, 77, take it as 90, 166. Add one here, 90. So 90 plus 76, 166, 166 plus 67, 200 and 220, 233, 233 plus 45, 53, 45, yeah, 87, 278 plus 23, 278 plus 23, 11, no, 9, 10, 300. So, yeah, let's notify 29. So it will be becoming 55. So it will be becoming around 299 plus 1, 299 plus 1. So it will be 300. 300 divided by 11. 11 2s are 22. 22 means 88 will be there. 11 7 the 27. So 3 will be remainder. Again 3 will be reminders. So in both the ways you can do. Either you can do it as the first method, or else you can do it as second method. You will get the same answer. What is the answer? The remainder is 3. Next question, 17. So I prefer to do with the first method because that is easier to solve. Instead of going with the second method, it's better to go with the first method. Next, the nearest integer to the mean proportion of 40,000 and 90,000, which when divided by each of 8, 15 and 21 leaves the remainder 1 is, see, there is an integer. So which should be nearer to the mean proportional of 40,000 and 90,000. See, there are two numbers A and B. What is this mean proportional? Mean proportional formula is equals under root AB. The same way, under root 40,000 into 90,000. So 40,000 into 90,000, 40, how it becomes? This is 200 square. This one is 300 square. So under root of 200 square into 300 square. So 200 into 300. So it will be 60,000. So 60,000. There should be a number which is nearer to 60,000, and it should satisfy a condition that it should be divided by 8, 15 and 21. 8, 15 and 21. So if there is any condition, even like a digit should be divisible by 3 numbers, then you should take the LCM of those 3 numbers. So that LCM should divide that number. So that is a condition to be satisfied. So instead of dividing with 8, 15 and 21 individually, we will take the LCM of them. So how to find the LCM? 3 5s are 3 7s are. So okay, it cannot be moved further, so I'll multiply. 24 into 5 into 7. So 24 5 is the 120, 127, 840. So 840 is a number. So now what we will do is we will just divide 60,000 with 840. Then what is the remainder we are going to get? If it is 1, then that is answer. So I'll do 840 7 times. 840 into 7. Figure it out. 48. See, 5880. So there is 120 left. So 120 and again 1200. So again 840 into 1 is 840. I'll subtract 0, 10 minus 4, 6, and here 11. 360 is a reminder. 360 is a reminder I'm getting. But I should not get 360. So then I'll subtract. So I should not get 360, right? So what I need to do, I should subtract 360 from 60,000. So if I subtract, what I'll get? 59,640. But should I get remainder as 0 or 1? Should get remainder as 1. So that should be added. So then it will become 59,641. So this is the answer. 59,641 is the answer. So third option is the answer. Okay. Now the next question. The 18th one. If the sum of pair of numbers is 528, if the sum of a pair of numbers is 528 and their HCF is 33, HCF is given as 33. See, blindly you can multiply HCF with A and B to take those numbers. Just remember this. This is shortcut. So if HCF is given, HCF into A is first number, or HCF into B is the other number. A or B, you can take anything, K, L, X, Y, you can take anything. So to have their number, to have those numbers, you have to multiply with the HCF. So 33A is one number and 33B is other number. So then the number of all such possible pair of numbers is you need to find. So A and B are the variables. So you need to find all the possible values of A and B. So if you can find, then that is the answer. So here what is given? The sum of pair of numbers is 528. Sum of pair of numbers means 33A plus 33B. Given as what? 528. So take 33 common is A plus B is equal to 528. So 528 means then A plus B is equals to 528 by 33. See, any number to be divisible by 3, how you can verify that? You have to add those numbers. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 is divisible by 3, 2 times. So this number will be divisible by 3. The same way, 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 is also divisible by 3. So it means that the whole number will also be divisible by 3. So it means I'll start with dividing 3. 3 11s are, 3 1s are, 3 7s are 21, is 6. Okay. It's number of all possible numbers. Okay. Next, 11 ones are 11, 6. So what is the number we got? 16. So I need to get 16 when I add A and B. What are the possible ways? 1 plus 15 is 16. Slowly increase this left hand side. 2 plus 14. Just reduce 1 by 1. 3 plus 13. 4 plus 12. 5 plus 11. 6 plus 10. 7 plus 9. 8 plus 8. You cannot go beyond that. If you go beyond that, then again that will be repetition. So like 9 plus 7. So you have already written now. So now among these all these numbers, there should be only co-prime numbers. See, 2 and 4, 14 cannot be taken. Okay, because it has many other factors also, 2 and 14. So this will be a possible way. And 3 and 13 is a possible way. So this cannot be. Again, this is possible way. This cannot be. Again, this one. So like that, 4 possible ways are there. You can eliminate 2 plus 14, 4 plus 12, and 6 plus 10, and 8 plus 8. You can only take the remaining 4 numbers. So what are the 4 possible ways? What we have seen just now. The answer would be this one. Okay, next, 19. So these are all LCM HCF problems, easy problems. Just read out, just have a glance on the question. That is 19. 19 means the HCF of two numbers is 21. The HCF of two numbers. The HCF of two numbers is 21. I just told you. If HCF is given, HCF into A is one number, HCF into B is other number, or HCF into K is one number, HCF into L is other number. So I'll take 21. X is one number, 21y is another number. And LCM is given. LCM is given. LCM is how much? 4641. If one of those two numbers lies between 200 and 300, so one number should be in between 200 and 300. So we'll find out those numbers. There is a rule. If we know two numbers X, A and B, we know two numbers, and their LCM we know. LCM of these two numbers A and B is, take it as some L, and HCF of these two numbers is H. So then L into H can be written as A into B. This is the rule actually. LCM into HCF of two numbers A and B is equals to product of those two numbers. A into B, A and B are the two numbers. A into B is equals to their LCM into their HCF. The same way, here we have two numbers, 21x and 21y. Product of these two numbers is equals to their LCM, 4641, into their HCF. HCF is given as 21 already. So you just cancel, possible cancellation. 2 is 40, 44, no, 42. 42 means again 4 will be there. Again 42, again 2 will be there, 21. So 1. So x into y should become equal to 21. So how you can divide 221 as co-parameters or two prime numbers? So just check it out. You will be having 39, 17. So 13 into 17 equal to 221. One you can check. 3 sevens are 21. 3 ones are 3. 5, 17, 1, 2, 221. Okay, it is satisfying. So these two are prime numbers. So I'll take one number with 13 and other number 14. So then 21 into 13 is one number, 21 into 17 is other number. 21 into 13, how much it is? See, 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6, again 21, 3 7 2, 273. Next, the other thing, put here 7 1 the 7, 7 2 the 14. Next, 21, 7 5 3, 357. 357. What is he asking? He's asking about the difference of these two numbers. 357 minus 273. 7 minus 3, 4. So check out the option which is ending with 4, the first one. No need to do completely. Okay. Next question. Next question is 20. 20. What is 20? The LCM of two numbers is 20 times their HCF. LCM of two numbers is 20 times their HCF. So what are the numbers? I told you just now. So if you know the HCF, multiply that HCF with X and Y, take them as numbers, or else A or B, you can take the variable anything. Then LCM of two numbers is 20 times their HCF. The different thing. Not the LCM of two numbers is 20 times their HCF. So if HCF is X, then 20X is the LCM. That's what he's telling. And the sum of their LCM and HCF is 2520. Okay, so LCM plus HCF equal to 2520. The first number is 48, 480. Then the ratio of the first and second number is. The LCM of two numbers is 20. LCM of two numbers is equals to 20 times HCF. And the sum of their LCM and HCF is 2520. So now what I'll take is, I'll take HCF as H, and 20H equal to LCM as L. Okay, L equal to 20H. Now what I'll do, 20H plus H, LCM plus HCF is equal to what? 2520. 2520. So 21H is equal to 2520. You can take any way, actually you can take it as X and Y also. There's no difference. Then H equal to 2520 divided by 21. So 21 ones are, 21 twos are 42. So 120. So H is equal to 120. So what are those numbers? LCM will become, LCM equal to 20 into 120. 20 into 120 means 240. 2400. HCF is equal to, HCF is H. HCF is H means 120 itself. Okay, now we got LCM and HCF. The first number is 480, then the ratio of the first and second number. If first number is 480. So I told you A and B are two numbers, then LCM and HCF are known. Then what is the principle? A into B is equal to LCM into HCF. In the same way, you can do it. So now LCM is 2400 into HCF is 120 is equals to, what are those numbers? One number is 480, other number I don't know. And now I'll find it out. 124 is a 600 is a other number. 480 is one number, is 600 is the other number. Cancel it. 12 4 is a 12, 5 is a 4 is to 5 is a answer. What is he asking? first number is the second number or ratio of first and second. So first is 4:5, same order. So 4:5 means this is the answer, second option. Second option is the next question. Question number x comma y comma z are three positive integers. So y comma z are three positive integers. If LCM of XYZ is 45 and HCF of XYZ is 3, there are three numbers 21, XY, and Z. LCM of XYZ is 45, HCF is 3, LCM of XY is 9, XY LCM 9, YZ how much? 15. ZX LCM 45. Okay. Okay, so in this type of questions, for three numbers, if LCM and HCF is given, so you can divide them. 3 times it is cancelling. And this division, this number has to be factorized in such a way that the multiplication should become 10. Okay, you can divide them into 3 into 1 into 5 or 1 into 3 into 5 or 5 into 3 into 1 or 5 into 1 into 3. You can divide it anyway, but later you should conclude which is suitable for x and which is suitable for y and which is suitable for z. So that we will do. So and as per this division, and multiply them with the HCF, then the numbers will get. So because HCF is given as 3, so if I multiply them, so this order will become 9, 3, and 15. 9, 3, and 9, 3, and 15. And the second one, 3, 9, 3, 9, 15. 15, 9, 3, 15, 3, 9. So among them, choose. LCM should be satisfied. LCM x comma y LCM should become what? X comma y should LCM should become 9. YZ LCM 15. ZX LCM 45. Which is satisfying that? All of in these 4 pairs. See. Take LCM of 9 comma 3. 9 comma 3 LCM how much? 3 3s are 3 1s are 9. Okay, it is satisfying. And YXY YZ LCM 315. 3 1s are 3 5s are. So YZ LCM is 15. Next ZX means 15 and 9. 15 9 we take. 3 5s are 3 3s are. 45. So the first one is satisfying. So it means 9 3 15. So X, Y, and Z. So Z is 15. Answer is 15. The first system we got. So you can verify these also. They won't satisfy these conditions. Suppose you verify the 915 option 915. What is LCM for 915? 3 3s are 3 5s are 9 5 are 45. 45. So you're getting 45. 45 for YZ only, but for 45 is for ZX not satisfying. So if it is not satisfying, you can eliminate this option. Like that, you can verify for these two also. So they'll be, because we got it in the first place itself. The answer is 15. The next question, 22nd one. The least perfect square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 16, 20 and 32, 20, 24 and 32. See, I already told you, for a number to be divisible by multiple numbers, you just take the LCM of those multiple numbers. Okay, just take the LCM of those numbers, and with that LCM you multiply that number. So that should be divisible. So that was a condition we need to fulfill. For that, so 22. So the least perfect square number, that should be a perfect square. So in the option itself, you can check it out. First option. What is the first option? First option is first option. Option 1, 144. Of course, it is a perfect square. 13600. Not a perfect square. You can eliminate it directly. Third option. 12460. It is also not a perfect square. You can eliminate this also. 12100. This is perfect square only. 11 square into 10 square. But you have to verify whether it should be divisible by these numbers. So divisible by all of these numbers means divisible by the LCM of these numbers, and by individual numbers also it should be divisible. So there is no level multiple 16, 20, 24, 32. So obviously it cannot be divisible by this. So directly you can conclude this as an answer, but I'll verify it. Okay. The least perfect square number that is divisible by each of the numbers. So 16, 20, 24 and 32. I'm going to take the LCM of these two. So 4 4s are 4 5s are 4 6s are 4 8s are 4 1s are 6 4 2s are 2 3s are 2 1s are 5. So 16 2s are 32. 32 3s are 96, 96 5, 30, 480. 480 is a number. So with 480, it should be divisible. See, any number to be divisible by 4, the last two numbers should be divisible by that number. So 80 is divisible by 4. So obviously 480 will also be divisible by 4. Now I'll verify with the first one. So all the first option will be divisible by 4. So this cannot be divisible. Okay, everything will be divisible by 4. So now I'll divide 14400 by 480, whether it will be divisible or not. We'll be checking 00. 12 4s are 48. 12 124 30. 0 is the remainder. So it is getting divided. But we need to verify with the other parameters also, because he is asking for least square number. So obviously 136 is not a square, so you can skip it. And for 121 you have to verify 121, because this is only the perfect square. So 480. So 00. Again, see, this can be divisible by 3, because 4 plus 8 is 12. And here 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 is not divisible by 3, obviously. So there is no cancellation. So you can skip this also. Like this you can conclude if you solve. If you don't solve, there are other problems. Ultimately you will have to pick the correct answer in the competitive exams. If it is any other exam, or if you want to gain the knowledge, for those I am telling the procedure, because the knowledge is useful for any exam. So knowing only the answer is not important. So you must be able to get the knowledge so that you'll be able to solve other questions also in other areas of exams. The least number when divided by each of the numbers 5, 6, 8, 9, and 15 leaves the remainder 1 and is also divisible by 13. See, so we have to pick the least number that is divisible by these things, and remainder should be what? Remainder is 1 and is also divisible by 13. So it should be divisible by 13. So with that thing, it should be divisible with this thing itself. You can eliminate some options. Okay, by dividing with 13, you can eliminate some option easily. That is one way. And I just told you, if any number is to be divisible by some group of numbers, just take the LCM of them. 5, 6, 8, 9, and 15. 5, 3, 6, 8, 9, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 1, 8, 2, 1, 2, 4, 3. So 5 3s are 15, 30, 34, 123, 360. So that number should be divisible by 360. So it means 360 into some x. And what should be the remainder? Remainder is 1. So that number will be in this form. And substitute 0 in place of x and 1 in place of x. So then you will get the least number. Those numbers are in the option, then that is the answer. So if you substitute 0 here, it will become 1. So 1 cannot be the answer. It's not given in the options. Substitute 1. Then 360 into 1 plus 1. Okay, 360, like that you have to multiply. So 360 into 10, 3600 plus 1, 3601. This is there in the options. So that is the answer. And you can verify with the 13. So 13 3s are 13 2s are 26. 26 means again 100 100 and 100 is there. What is 13? 13 7s are 91. So the 91. Again 9 will be the 91. So 277 times it will be answered. Verification is successful. Okay. Next question. The next question, okay, 24. 24. If the sum of two positive integers each greater than 37 is 296, and if the HCF is 37, HCF is given as 37. So I told you, take those numbers as 37 A and 37 B. Then the difference is, he's asking about the difference. The sum of two positive integers each greater than 37 is 296. It is given as 296. So 37A plus 37B is equal to 296. 37 into A plus B is equal to 296. So A plus B is equal to 296 by 37. How many times it will go? So 8 times check, because it is ending with 6, 7, 8 is 56. Just verify like that. 56, 296 is going. So it means that 8 times. So a plus b is equal to 8 times. So divide that into two co-prime numbers. So 3 and 5. So 37 into 3 is one number. 37 into 5 is other number. So 37 3s are 3 7 are 21 9 11. 11 is one number. 5 18 and 85. Right? Verify. 21. Okay, correct. 35. Okay. Okay, 185 and 31. Now, so then the difference, he's asking about the difference. 185 minus 211. So it should end with 4. Which option is ending with 4? 74 is answer.